but
Mm.
still
Yeah.
I
Mohan.
want to move abroad or Gulf, mm, maybe next year, this year.
Yeah, do one
So
thing. You work 1 year here and then try to get through the company itself. Because when you will be start working in a company, IT company, they will
yes,
have multiple openings in different Gulf location, UK, USA, and all these things. So
okay,
you have to keep eyes on that. If you'll go through this company, your visa things you don't have to pay. They will only pay your accommodation, your visa, and all like 15 lakhs. You will be able to save it. So if it's like 1 year, 1.5 year also, you try through the company, they will pay you full cost for the things.
okay. What
Okay.
about Gulf, sir?
Gulf also, many company like Dubai, and then another one is which city is big one? Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi, yes.
So this company is having also lots of IT company because Dubai and all how they are marketing
Yes.
all these things. They have lots of space for the IT and all. So they are starting very nicely, and many people they are getting appointed in Gulf countries also for IT. You don't
Okay.
have to worry on that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next question, guys, or else 8:15 will start the things. Okay.
Hi, Jayant.
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, Hemant. Tell me, Hemant. Okay. Someone is asking something.
Yeah. Hi,
Yeah,
Jayant. This is Abdul.
Yeah, Abdul. Tell me, Abdul.
Jayant, the documents which we taken, it is only valid for 1 year, or if we change the internal projects, so then again.
hi Jayant. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, Nirav here. So
Mhm.
I have total 10 plus years of experience, and I had passed out in 2007 actually, and then I had a non-IT experience of 4 years, and then started career in testing, software testing from
Daytime
2011.
only we spoke 10 years. You have manual testing experience, correct?
Yes, manual
Yeah.
experience more than 10 years. So
Then
it will
you
be
don't have to
useful for.
worry on that. Manual testers only mostly people do join ETL testing course, Informatica testing, and they are
Okay.
getting good package because see, when you'll go for automation, no, you will not
Mhm.
have patience for give 6 months, 7 months time with working with Java
Okay.
complexity. You will not learn only.
Right.
ETL testing is based on SQL knowledge. So SQL is almost like it's easy only to like, you'll have basic idea as a manual tester. You'll have the basic idea of SQL also. So it will be easy for you to switch a career into with the good package.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm already having some. Was having experience more into this software testing. So based on that, I will get good package and ETL testing after this completion, right? I
Yes,
mean,
yes,
after getting familiar.
yes.
Okay.
Definitely you will get it. I'll tell you one story. One same person, 14 years of experience, senior than
Okay.
me. Last class also I told that is my achievement. That's why I'm telling again and again. We have 10 years, 11 years. We have placed manual testers with the good package. And one very good achievement, like because he was senior than me, like I am having 11 years of experience. He was having 14 years of experience. So he told me in starting that, Jent, how you're going to help me? Your experience is lower than me. So I'm in 14 years of experience and my package is 13 lakhs per annum. How you're going to help me? I told join it. Manual testing anyway you will get less package. But if you'll join ETL testing, you will get more package on that because your package is less number of years of experience and you will be able to get it. So he joined, he got 25 or 26 lakh of first offer. Second offer letter, he got 24. 23 lakhs, same company acquired him.
Okay, got it.
So
Yeah.
it
So
will be very.
similarly, I was having that thought because
Mm.
I'm also looking for the better advantage for ETL testing, and that's why I'm switching career to ETL testing now from manual testing.
Definitely. Okay, guys. So let me explain this one. What is that? The syllabus of this. Just give me 1 second. Let me find out he joined or not. Your voice is not correct if you are asking question. And whose video is on? Please stop
So
your videos. Okay.
Sir Joshi has joined.
Yeah, Josie. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let me introduce one of my candidate. Like he was in batch two batch back. Who is that?
కావాలని మీరు
What software there, man? I'm not able to mute also. Yeah, so one of my student, like he got recently offer letter in one of the top MNC, 14 LPA. Okay, so he prepared the things in a faster phase. Like he joined the batch, and he prepared. He asked me to previous class recording, and he put really effort. And whatever the doubt he was having, like he was asking the question, and within a 1.5 month, he was able to get the job. So initially he was doing the doubt also how I'm going to get the job. But I told him that just give your best, you will get it. No where job is there, it's not going anywhere. If you'll put effort, you will get it. So he just put day and night, he put effort. And within 22 days, he prepared full syllabus. And then he went for the interview. He was expecting 3 offer letter in December end only. But anyhow, he managed last week only. He was able to manage 1 offer letter. And Josie, it's a 1 or 2 offer letter?
2 offer letters, sir. One is company Deloitte and another one is Wipro.
Yeah. You don't have to mention the company name. Okay, just a second. Okay, so he was able to get the 2 offer letter. Okay, so and Josie, can you help other people to understand how you prepare and what are the things we have to keep in mind so that we can prepare effectively and it will help people to get job faster.
Yeah, sure, sir. Hi, guys. Here, actually, I am very thankful to Jayant, sir. Why? Because in the month of August, I've joined one company in the last 6 months back. So due to some reason, I came out. So that time I'm in dilemma. So I saw that ETL posting in the Jayant sir posting in Facebook that people are getting offer letters and easy to get that kind of motivation message. I saw that. So immediately I contacted Jayant sir. So he explained the way of entering into the this ETL testing side, and I'm impressed so much. And immediately I have joined in the company in this training classes. And then after joining the these classes, you know, actually I was in confusion. Actually, I don't know this ETL testing is there under this kind of easy to get into the ETL side. I think if I would have known that, I would have joined before itself. But after joining in that ETL testing, I thought that if any guy who is non-IT background, even you don't know, just if you know how to open the computer, that is enough. So that by guy can manage the ETL testing process. If he keep the effort for the at least minimum 2 months and maximum 3 months. So for this now, basic is required is whatever the sir is explaining, the syllabus. Now the complete syllabus in the SQL, because SQL, if you come in the syllabus, SQL, data warehouse, and Informatica, and project. In the 4 areas, we need to prepare well. In this, first thing is basic is SQL is important for ETL tester. So SQL is like a heart, because even the concept of testing everything is that is a only you can learn within 1 day or 2 days, that warehouse concept and ETL testing. Main thing is SQL, I am saying. So because SQL is very important, because that whatever the Jain's syllabus, because each and every simple, because no need to write the big queries. First time when he shared the syllabus, I thought this is very less syllabus only. But I argued with Jain sir. So because sir, you are telling very less syllabus. But actually later I realized that SQL it is like a ocean. In that, developer SQL will be there different, and ETL tester SQL will be different. But in the ocean, we are just learning only like a rivers, like river. SQL is like a river. ETL tester SQL is like a river in the out of the SQL ocean, because it is limited syllabus only. It is easy to learn also, and the repeated questions will come in that basic important, like a whatever the functions we have. What is DML, DDL? That is also basic: creation, insertion, updation, deletions. That is not big thing also. Every day we are doing in the Facebook, we are accessing the Gmail account. Same activities we are doing. We are retrieving the some data from the different Amazon. Same activity, whatever we are doing, what is background they are returning in the using SQL. So same thing, we need to tell yourself that it is easy for me. Even same thing I told Jayant also motivated, like a, I know it is very easy. That word, when I use it, listening that itself, I am getting I got the motivation, and just I can do that. I can do that. Always, I am in the morning. I used to wake up, and I used to tell that definitely within 2 months I will get this offer letter. So that Jayant, whatever the motivations he said to me, so that only I used to remember. I will get. So like that, I prepared the SQL each and every whatever topic. Even I know before also, I used to repeat that function, that query. I used to write in the paper on the paper, and the same thing I used to type in the software and execute. So in the different examples, I used to find out in the different websites. Like that, I practiced the SQL. So I spent whatever almost out of 1.5 months. Suppose if the course syllabus, even for 3 weeks, I spent the SQL itself, because even I know I learned the fast because he shared all the documents. I asked them to use. So SQL, you need to come in interview also. They are checking, even though data processing like a star schema, snowflake schema, simple, only one 3 or 4 questions only they will repeat. But SQL, if you give wrong answers, you will get the bad impression. Means out of that much importance SQL is. So that's why even the Jayant also started with SQL only, so that you can spend long time from the for the entire the course. So I am recommending everyone to learn the SQL properly, and it is easy also. So, small syllabus only. It is not a very big syllabus also. You no need to learn the all SQL commands. Only whatever the Jains are telling in the syllabus, that you need to focus. So that is in the SQL part. So later in data warehouse also, even like that in the practical example, when you're explaining the project also, he is telling in exam in the courses in the course also, like same in real life data warehouse concepts. Like data warehouse means Amazon, we are getting Flipkart. So that different from company, it is storing first in the data warehouse. Later it is delivering to our home. Same way, this data warehouse also, we are that concept relating, and you can learn very easily also. In that, which methodology and which because in testing, definitely, because it is main our aim is ETL testing only. Testing means it is already the work is done by the developer. Only we are checking. Checking is easy, right? Developing is very tough. So developer task is very tough. We are checking that whether developer done the work properly or not. So no need to worry also, because of we are giving the report, which is simply say that we are giving the report to the our team, that this developer loaded data is correct or wrong. So that way you need to tell always that it is easy. It is easy, so that your subject will also go. Your mind will accept. Sometimes we'll struck it, and we'll see that we'll lose the hope. That time, whenever I lose the hope, na, sometimes in between also, so why should I came this side? I used to get, but every time, no, he used to introduce the motivational speakers. So I used to listen them and his classes also. So in that way, na, entire day, even though sometimes if you get lose the hope also, just listen the motivation classes in the previous classes, and whatever he is teaching, just you follow that blindly. We need to follow. So that is a warehouse part. Third part is I prepared SQL part more every day. Every day I used to spend 1 hour, even after completing syllabus also. So I used to attend the online test also, SQL. So that way I got improved. Like for example, the we know the many solutions will be there, but the interview point of view, they expecting the one correct answer only. For example, what is the highest salary in your in the employees table? So like that, we have different ways to find out. But only thing is, they're expecting is like a ranking, tens rank, this kind of solutions they are expecting. So that thing, what answer we should give, that is also we should prepare. So one more thing is, sometimes we'll get the fear to attend the interviews. So until and unless we put the resume in the Naukri, we will not understand. Even you take the many classes from the others also, you will not understand how to attend the interview. Even you take the 100 videos, if you see means, so nothing you will get until unless you go into the put in the resume and in the Naukri. Even if you attend 2 or 3 or 4 interviews, so that is automatically you will pace will come. Your page, you will pick up the page and you will understand one in which area you will be lead and that. So I learned in that ETL testing I learned, but in previous experience I put the 4.5 years in the ETL testing. So I got almost 4 offer letters because I'm strong in SQL. Strong in a sense ETL level, testing level strong, not like entire SQL. So they will impress you with the SQL answers only, other than the ETL testing only execution, only test queries. Same repetitions will be there. Same repetitions only will be there in the ETL testing queries. Means when you are writing the report, what you have done in your project. So in your project means what is the validations, what is the finding the duplicates. It is the repetitions only we will do every time in the document. We will we'll find out the same repetition. So if you see the project, he will explain the project also. In that project, if you see that video 2 or 3 times, then automatically I wrote that each and every query with on the paper, with pen and paper. I am writing, just not listening, just putting. In that way, I prepared. So that almost I spend every day 4 to 5 hours in the early morning after wake up now. So that mind will be very refreshed, and at that time I used to spend for 2 hours. And then before sleep also I used to think about the job. So your with the subject in your self healing is also self motivation is also important. So to get this self motivation, you need to listen the others motivation classes, and then just you give the follow the or Jayant sir class whatever he is teaching, and then interview questions, whatever the questions he is giving now. If you follow that questions, practice that question, same questions will come in the interview. Same questions will come. No need to go for different questions. Same questions will come. So I am requesting you all to prepare well and get the, because nowadays everyone is on premises warehouse to they are shifting to cloud data warehouses. So there will be a more opportunities. No need to think that whether my job will be there or not. So your job is always is there. So if you prepared well, so this is the right time also to because ETL testing many more projects are coming. people are saying that there is a because of recession, people are not losing the jobs like that. They are telling, but no, there is a opportunities always there. When I am getting the calls every day, four, even 4 calls or 5 calls, I am getting retail testing on that. So you are getting the calls. Even nowadays, what is happening? Before only MNCs used to get the calls only for me, but nowadays US calls are coming because those that company is also searching for the Indian employees only. They are collaborating with one of the small companies in the India, and they are recruiting the people from here because we are a cheap, labor. We are coming for the now here. If for 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs package, we are very happy. But same TTL testing for US or Canada, they are expecting 50 lakhs or 80 lakhs also for 1 year 2 years experience. So we are very because of our availability resources, many calls are coming to India. So there's no need to get the fear of recession. Just you think that I am in job, I am in job, I am in job. You fix the date within these 3 months or 1 month, 2 months, I will be in the I am my designation is a ETL tester. So with that thinking, you prepare very well. Definitely you will be on job as per your thought. So thank you for Jayant for giving the opportunity. Thank you, Jayant sir.
Thank you, Josie. And guys, if you have any question, you can ask Josie and get motivated. Okay.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hi.
Uh, I had completed my graduation recently. It's the right time to start my career in ETL testing, sir.
Actually, Jayant will direct you because I put the experience and I tried, but for refreshers, ETL testing always
Which year
because
pass out?
sorry,
Sir, I have completed my graduation in 2022, sir.
It will work. No, see, people are getting two preferences will be given. If you leave your CV blank, they will not give you a call. If you'll go for Java learning, no, it will take you 6 months, 1 year time. And cracking Java interview, no, it's like, very difficult. If you'll go for some testing course, like ETL testing, where you will be completing your syllabus in 1 month or 35 days, you will be able to put the things in your CV and you will be able to get the job based on that. Okay. Like
Okay, sir.
automation, if you'll go, it will take you 7-8 month time. So ETL testing is best. You will get job 100%.
Sir, for freshers is a good time to start career, sir.
Sorry, your voice is little bit noisy. Like, can
I
you
am
speak
a
again?
candidate, sir. It is good to start. I am a fresher candidate, sir. Sir. It is good to start my career in ETL testing, sir. I'm asking.
Which year pass out?
Hello?
Which year pass out?
2022, sir.
2020. Yeah, fine.
2022.
Yeah, I told you, no, you are eligible. You are good to go. It will be very helpful.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. That's my question, sir. Thank you for giving the answer.
Hello.
Yeah, ask directly. Go ahead.
So actually, my question is, can I join as after courses as a developer or only tester?
Only tester. ETL
Okay.
tester. Yeah.
So,
What do you
means
need? You need job or you need a complexity?
no, I want a job, but
The
knowledge. Which
knowledge,
type of
you
knowledge?
see, knowledge, the thing is that like you get into IT company first, and then once you'll go in a IT company, no, they will only provide you knowledge, what you want to learn. They will pay you for behalf of your certification, everything they will only pay you. How much you want to learn, you can learn there. Java, you want to learn cloud, you can learn. Whatever you want to, new technology, data science, you want to learn, they will provide you n number of training there.
It means only apply for testing position, right? ETL testing.
Testing positions will be there, and number of testing. He's mentioned, no, 3-4 calls every day he's receiving, so you don't have to worry on that. Prepare well, get your job first.
Okay.
Enter into IT company. See, ETL testing is the easiest gateway easiest gateway to the enter into IT company. If you'll use this one, you will be enter into IT company. Otherwise, what other course 6 months, 7 months it will take. Again, complexity will be very high. You will struggle for 1 year and then you will come back again. Sir, teach me. I'm ready to learn now. So initially only you learn it, get into IT company. There they will provide you all the document learning things. So whatever you want to learn, if you'll go in IT company, you will only bored. You will only not get time to learn something, like you will be only lazy to learn the new things. It will be like that. Okay, so get into IT company, choose the easiest way how to enter, make your capability, give your 100% effort, learn this, get into IT company fast, and then whatever you want to learn in future after 2 years, 3 years, you can learn and you can grab the, you can do anything.
Yeah, entering the if you the entering into the IT company means ETL testing the easy way. So no need to see market. If you want to, don't think about the high pay. You got the high pay, but your performance is very low in the development side. That is very loss. So again, we need to take support, putting the money for the support. So these and all no time waste. So the guys who is non-IT to IT enter or freshers or enter, ETL testing is the best option for a no, for the gateway into the testing.
Okay, Joyce, I have one question for you. Hello, Joyce.
Yes, please.
Okay, so from this institute, apart from this teaching course, what type of support you got to get this job offer? Did you got my question, Joyce?
From Jayant, you are asking, or the support means what kind?
No, you have joined in this course and you have learned this all this syllabus, right? So
Yeah.
apart from this learning, what kind of support you got it from Jayant? Or, I mean, what type of support you got it to get this offer?
Yes, it's actually the syllabus of ETL testing what he is providing. That is only the main support, because for entering into the companies, so main thing is your subject is important. First subject, 90% is subject is important. So let that only your level, confidence level will be decided. After that, the support, that is it is recording session. So we can't tell that in the recording session. So that you can message me. So the subject and syllabus, that is only the main big support.
And you will
Okay.
have a
Got
group
it.
discussion, mock interviews, what support you want, resume preparation, interview preparation, all support will be there. We are 4 people to support you. This month
Yeah,
onwards,
main
2
thing
more
is,
people I have added.
Yeah, main thing, positive thing is whatever he's more for after completing the syllabus. So every day group discussions are going on. I will be 17, 18 batch, I think. 18 batch, the people are formed, and we are in the GD sessions are every day is going on. We are preparing and for some syllabus today, DML, DDLs we are preparing, and he is providing the GD link for us, and we are discussing what are the kind of interview questions are getting. So this is support on. This is also one support. GD support. Yeah.
Okay. Joyce, do you have any experience previously? Like, is this the
In
first
the
time that you are
ETL
entering
test,
into?
yeah, ETL testing side I don't have. I am actually into the government sector. So that SQL server I have a little bit knowledge. So, but in the full-fledged ETL testing, I don't have any experience. But after I learned from Jayant only. So from his only I got this knowledge.
Okay, guys. So let's stop the question and answer session from Josie, and then we'll move to our agenda part. Is it okay, or someone else is having question? Like we have just 45 minutes. We have done with the thing. Can I proceed further?
Hi.
I have one last question.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, sir.
I have one question.
Hi,
Yeah. Fine.
hi, Josh.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
my
yes.
question. Yeah, that's my question regarding the basically the SQL. That's you told us the SQL is important for in the ETL testing. That how much percent they will ask in the interview session about the SQL, and they will ask to perform because there have been many rounds in the interview that in the MNCs that we saw that the technical round and managerial round. So how much percent they ask about the SQL?
Yeah, there will be always. I attended almost to 10 interviews. In 10 interviews, there is a two rounds only. In that one is a L1 and L2 round. In the entry level, they are asking the basics of SQL. And second round, they are asking about the project income or data warehouse concepts. SQL, if out of if there is a 10 questions. So in those 10 questions, there will be, depends on the company. 6 questions will be SQL. Or sometimes, all SQL questions only they will ask in the L1 round. In the second round, they are asked about the data warehouse concepts. So it is different. It is not fixed to the one company. It is varies from company to company. So always we need to prepare the best in the SQL part. But because
Actually, your voice is not audible. Am I audible?
Yeah,
questions
you
will
are
be
Yes,
audible.
yes, yes.
Hmm. Maybe
questions will
he
be
is
same in
lost
all.
connection. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll ask the question connection. Okay, you got the point, right?
Sir, hello.
I
Yeah.
think I missed the last that I think you lost the network connectivities.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
So,
Sir,
what I'm saying,
last 3 4 months ago, call frequency is good, but currently market situation is not good. How to possible, sir, 3 to 4 calls? Because my friend are completed Power BI and SQL, so it is not receive call, sir. How to
Venkatesh,
solution?
have you prepared the things, ETL testing from other places?
No, no, sir. My friends are other course complete. It is Power BI and SQL.
Check the resume of them. They will get that. Like sometimes you have to prepare attractive resume also.
Okay.
Okay, if you'll prepare attractive resume, you will get the call. Always calls was there. Like if December also when the year end was there, for many companies, people were getting calls. Even though like he was giving interviews and all. Like so, you have to prepare resume attractive. Then only you will get the more calls.
till 20 December there is a calls, and then again now calls are started after the
Okay.
festival of Sankranti.
Mm.
So see, don't think about the your friend said. Just you experience. My friend is telling, and my friends are telling. Don't tell like go like that way. So you will lose the hope. Just always you try and see. Then only you give the answer.
Okay. Sir, what is your difference, ETL testing or software testing?
Hey, he
In
will
this
not
syllabus,
explain
he will
difference,
explain.
guys.
He will
Ask some
explain.
logical question, okay? If you want difference, I'll explain. He will not explain. Let them other ask the question. One lady wanted to ask, yeah, lady,
Because I confused, sir, it is same or not same, sir.
which one? What question you ask?
ETL testing or software testing is the same
It's a,
or different?
see software testing. In software testing, no, you will come. It will come manual testing, automation testing, ETL testing, performance testing, mobile testing, everything.
Okay.
But manual testing, if you'll go, it will be like old technology, okay? And there is no call. Everything automated in manual testing. So very less, very less calls are there. ETL testing on business data based. It will be based on the business data. Automation is like, again, it will be so complicated. It will be like you are going to automate the things, okay? And it will be based on the Java or Python. It will be so complex to learn and then crack the interview. But ETL testing is SQL based technology. SQL is always easy to learn, and it is in that wherever the data will come, no, like when you go to bank or any retail shop or online shopping you are doing, you are generating data. So those data, client want to keep somewhere in a safe position, so that after 10 years also, if you want your bank statement to be generated from bank, so they will give you data, they will download and they will give you 10 years back data, whatever you had done the transaction. So because of that, only companies are investing millions of billions of dollars on this. Okay, so you don't have to worry on the ETL testing. Software testing, we have so many things in software testing. Okay.
Sir, currently interview are conduct online mode or offline mode?
Sorry?
Suppose a call receive interviews and interview is offline conduct or online, virtual or face?
Online only. Now it's going online only. But later on, what will happen, we don't know.
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you.
Yes.
Joe, I have one question. Joe.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, my question is if we learn end-to-end course and we are going with the 4+ years experience, but before we are not working any experience in ETL testing, but how we can once we crack the interview, how things going once entering into project.
See, same thing, whatever the things are there, no? Whatever we are
Without,
discussing in 1 month, same thing you are going to do as a work. As per the people who already work, they are giving
oh,
the feedback. Same thing they are going to work on the, like, whatever it will be. Okay,
okay,
and it will be not different things. Same thing you are going to work, whatever I'm going to tell, and it will be real-time scenario based. The Informatica part, no, I'll explain you real-time scenario, how to create test case, how to write the scenario-based queries, what are the scenario you are going to validate, how to validate data from one layer to another layer. Full scenario-based things I'm going to tell you. So you don't have to worry that if you'll face any trouble also while doing the project work and all, uh,
okay,
call me, discuss with me. We'll help you in that case also.
okay, okay. Finally, like you are telling, once we learn whatever you are giving training
Hear me?
and we learn end-to-end course,
Mm.
we can easily survive, right, without taking support,
Mm-hmm.
get the job.
Yes, yes, definitely you will get it. You will be
Okay,
able to do also. No worries in that.
okay, without support after learning.
Without support, and you will be better than people who will be working there. The based
Okay,
on the my students, like whatever the feedback they are giving, based on that I'm telling.
okay,
I'll
John.
call one student maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. They are working from past 5-6 months. Okay, so they
Okay,
will tell you the experience after learning how it is going to useful for them. Okay, so it
okay,
will be helpful. Maybe Sunday I'll call, or let me check whether he is available or not. Monday, Sunday or Friday I'll call.
okay, okay, John. Thanks.
Yeah,
I Joe have a question. Hello, am I audible?
I think he left.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, guys, okay, hold your question. We'll discuss the syllabus first, and then we'll go for the question and answer. Today, I think we are not going to start the SQL, but it will take 10 minutes for me to explain. Let me explain, because 1 hour 15 minute session was there. So we'll complete and then we'll come back to your question and answer. Is that okay? Okay, guys. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
so what are the syllabus we are going to learn in ETL testing? No? It's a completely online classes, and it's a software testing, one part of the software testing where you will be dealing with the business data. Business data means what? When you are going to banking, when you are going to, when you are purchasing online something, like you are purchasing something through the Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra and all. So you are generating data when you are going bank and you are doing transaction, deposit and withdraw, or ATM and all. You are generating data. So those data, the company want to maintain it somewhere. So where they will maintain for the history purpose, they want to keep it so that in future, no, they can refer it. In future, they want to refer it, so that like after 10 years also, if you need a bank statement and all, they'll able to give, or they will be able to find like year by year how their business doing, like how much profit they are generating, what are the area where the profit is not generating. These are the things they'll be able to find out if they will have the proper data. So ETL testing jobs will be there, no, to validate those data when it will pass through the like source, one layer to another layer, whether those data is processing properly or not. If any rules are there defined by the client or customer, those rules are applied on that source data or not. So because of that only, companies are investing a lot And if you will take one example of the company, okay, you take an example of TCS also. TCS will have 100 project on ETL testing. IBM will have 50 to 80 project on ETL testing. Many companies, all the companies is having ETL testing project. ETL testing, like, from starting it will work, and Java team will be involved. Your ETL development team will be involved. Informatica development or ETL development team will be involved. Then testing team will be involved. Database admin will be involved. Your mainframe team will be involved. So many things will be involved in this ETL testing full project. So it's like that. Automation part will be involved. So many things are there. So this is what ETL testing scope is very good. Openings are very huge, easy to learn, easy to crack interview, easy to survive in the industry. Okay, there is no doubt into that. Okay. So what are the things we are going to learn as part of ETL testing? We are going to learn first basic SQL to complex SQL, as Joshi told, SQL are very important. Then data warehouse, DWH concept, Informatica tool overview with transformation logic, ALM tool overview for test management, basic Unix command required for the ETL testing, basic manual testing concept, agile methodology, project explanation, minimum 2 we are going to explain, important ETL interview question and answer discussion, okay, resume building, job assistance, mock interviews, interview preparation session, group discussion, all these things are there. Group discussion every day evening. We have 2 batches. One is for the who is searching job. Another one is who is like they are attending the regular batches, like batch 22, batch 21. Batch 22 we have not started group discussion. From Monday we are going to start for batch 22. Batch 21 already group discussion are going on, because some of the portions we have completed. 50% of syllabus we have completed for batch 21. So their group discussion started from Monday. So these are the things are majorly we are going to learn in the ETL testing. If you will go part by part, in data warehouse, we are going to learn these are the topics. If you'll see each and every topic, you will get confused if you are seeing first time, because whenever you will see first time, you will get confused, because these are the new things for you. It will be definitely, it is a new thing for you. And what is data warehouse, what is ETL, what is OLTP, OLAP, this will be new thing, but it's full theoretical part. I'll give you proper notes with proper explanations. I'm going to explain you, okay, so that like it will be not a problem for you to understand. These are the things will come under the data warehouse. I'm making little bit fast, because I'll give you time for your question and answer, so that like we'll have more time for question and answer. These are the things we are going to discuss in a data warehouse. Syllabus wise, you don't, if you'll compare with anyone else, it will be best in the market. Like this syllabus no one will have. Okay. Basic of SQL, these are the because SQL is very important for interview. 60-70% of your interview will depend on the SQL only. Okay. Introduction to SQL, working with DDL command, data retrieval techniques, working with DML command, transaction query language, data control language, general functions. Functions, we are going to take 2.5, 3 classes for functions only, because in interview so many questions will come from functions. When you will be working real time in a project, you will be working on the functions. You will be using functions in your queries and all. So constraint will be developer part, but we'll learn in a deep only, so that like if they will ask in interview, you should be able to answer it. Table joins are very important for the interview perspective. We are going to learn with the multiple scenarios. Okay. Set operator, we are going to learn how to join 2 tables, how to join 3 tables, up to 6 tables. We'll learn how to join tables. Okay. Set operator and pseudo column. Set operator you have learned during the school time. Okay. That is the mathematical term. Now we are going to learn how to use set operator in SQL. Pseudo column, then subqueries, what is views, how to create backup table, case statement, important SQL queries and interview for the interview. So these are the things are there. So if you'll see the SQL part, how we deal with the SQL part, I will show you the our drive, one of the drive I'll show you, so that you'll have proper idea on how we are going to share you the class recording in the document. This is the Google Drive. Each and every one of you will have the access to this one. If you see any of the batch, let's take 19 batch. Okay. So like this, if you'll go batch 19 SQL, so you have the class recordings are there. Class recordings are there. So if you see session 1, session 2, like this, will be sharing the class recording. Then you'll have class document will be there for practice. Same thing. So how many pages document we have here for SQL? And I'm not going to share you the like query for the written one. I'm going to share through the the screenshot only, so that you will write and practice it. You will write and practice it. Otherwise, you will copy and practice. You will not get the knowledge. So I know how to uh, make you perfect in whatever the things we are learning. Okay. So these are the things are there, self-join and all, everything. We have the approximately how many pages? 77 pages document. If you see 77 pages are there. So you don't have to worry on that. We have full setup on this, even though we have the interview questions also, skill related interview question, scenario based interview question. If you'll see, we have 230 interview questions are there. If you'll go down, no, we have 230 scenario based questions are there. See, 230, 232 up to 232 question, 233 are also there. So when I was preparing 10 years back, that time I had this document. It is very useful for you. If you'll prepare 2 times, you will be very strong in that. Apart from that, we have complex questions also. Complex interview question, 90% question will come from this only. Okay. Then we have the interview question, how the company, they will ask you interview question, those things are there. Okay, these are the things are there. Apart from that, different folders will be there. Resume folder, you don't have to depend on each and everything for with me. I'll be creating this resume and all, and I'll be uploading here 6-7 resumes will be there. You will be preparing that. Project explanations will be there. Completely project explanations will be there. Python, we have not started, but we are going to start within 10 days Python classes also. That also will be free for you. Okay. Then coming back to the where it went out. So manual testing, Informatica tool. Okay, document and recordings will be shared. Okay, recordings will be shared. Your data warehouse, document and recordings will be there. Okay, batch 19 SQL, ALM part, agile methodology, everything, 100% syllabus will be covered properly, so that you will get the job. You will get the job. That is the like many people, they're requesting to give me previous batch recording, so that I'll be preparing in the fast pace and will get the job. Many people, they request like that. Okay, so that is also there. We'll provide you the previous class recording and you will prepare that. So these are the topics we are covering in a SQL part. It's a very nice document I have prepared. Informatica part is very important for ETL testing. Okay, ETL testing, it is very important, because what we are going to do, introduction to Informatica ETL tool, whatever the things you are going to do as a part of ETL tester, like creating test case, what are the scenario we are going to validate, which scenario to be taken when, how we are going to write the test case, what are the different segment will be there, what are the different environment will be there. Those are the things, how we are going to validate data in a database. Everything we are going to learn in Informatica tool regarding ETL testing. Okay, and apart from that, whatever the components will be there for Informatica tool, we are going to learn. We are not going to learn development level, but we are going to learn our testing level. Our testing level, what are the things are there, we are going to learn. Okay, so you don't have to worry. I know like how much knowledge I should transfer, so that you will get job based on 5 years, 10 years of experience. Okay, and it will be so easy. Don't worry on that. Okay, so manual testing, these are the topics we are going to cover. Manual testing, if you'll go for the real-time project course material, it will take you 2 months to complete. But these are the things are required for the ETL testing. Okay, and 90% of question from manual, they will ask you from this only. Okay, so no need to worry. Agile methodology also, they ask some of the questions, so I have included that. Project explanation will be there, ALM part, resume preparation, group discussion, mock interviews, interview preparation sessions will be there, everything. If you'll come to this one, project part, Python part also, we will cover apart from the syllabus. Your syllabus durations will be 1 month, 30 to 35 days, 30 to 35 days. And this is the extra topics we will cover in a regular days only. I'll tell you the timing when you have to join the Python courses. You don't have to worry. Like this, we are giving you just extra knowledge, and you don't have to put in effort on this. You have to put effort on what? ETL testing majorly. You have to just learn little bit on the Python. We are not going to use anywhere in ETL testing, anywhere. Okay, so don't worry on that. So just for the knowledge, I'll explain it so that in future, if they will ask you, do you know Python? You can say, yes, I know the Python. Okay, so take care of these things. Next one will be your, these are the syllabus for the, ETL testing. I explain you how and when you are going to get the your drive. So we will have a batch 23. Batch 23 drive will be there. Google Drive will be there. Here you will get all the recording. Okay, here you will get all the recording, class recording. If one class also, if you will miss, you can refer the recording and you will prepare. Your classes will be on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, evening time. Friday it will be 8 to 9:30. Saturday, Sunday it will be 7:30 to 9:30. Saturday, Sunday it will be 7:30 to 9:30, 2 hours class. Friday it will be 1.5 hour. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it will be 2 hours class. Means total weekly, we have 5.5 hours of class. Okay, it will be over in a 30 to 35 days, 5 weeks you can consider. So it's almost 30 hours course and it will be completed in a 30 to 35 days. Okay, so these are the things are the once you will complete SQL, you have to give me mock. We have 2 more people are there who were my student and they got offer letter. I pulled them to support my student because I was feeling alone too much, too much hectic. So I asked them to help me. So Sindhuja and Venkatesh, are you there in a call?
Okay, okay, yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the things are there. Venkatesh.
Yeah, Jay.
So they will help you to take the mock and then group discussion and all everything apart from me. So you should not be you should not tell that Jen sir is not giving time and all. Every like we are 3-member technical people who will help you to get the proper knowledge on this. Okay. Teaching wise, I'll do mock interviews and all. I'll also take it. Final mock interviews I'll take. Resume preparation and all. We will take care. Don't worry on that. Next one will be your, this thing is done. We have the Facebook page where 20,000 people plus people are there. 20,000 plus people are there in our group. This is our group only, software testing jobs. This is my ID, Facebook ID. And if you'll go in a group, so this is my group you manage software testing groups where 20.2K members are there. Okay. And we have YouTube channel also. So you can subscribe that one and initial 1 or 2 classes recordings you will get in that only. Okay, guys. So you can ask your question. We have done with that. So don't worry, we will help you to get job 100%. We have you are going to get job. Just give your best, you will get the 100% job. There is guaranteed you will get the job. Okay. You ask you if you have any question, you can ask. I made it fast. Sorry for that because because of the time constraint, we made it fast.
Hi, Jayant. Hi.
Yeah.
The SQL part is for the SQL server. It is for Oracle.
Oracle.
Oracle. I have some knowledge in SQL server.
It's
It is
almost
different
same only. It will be almost same only. Everything is same. Like minor syntax changes will be there. Even though now I'm working on PostgreSQL, and if you'll see that Oracle SQL and PostgreSQL, I did not find much differences. Very minor differences are there. So even if you know properly one database knowledge, SQL knowledge, you can work on any of the database. You should have that confidence. That's all.
So I should mention as Oracle, right? Not in
Yeah, you
SQL
can mention as Oracle, Teradata, PostgreSQL, anything is fine.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
If I'm complete all the section, so if you give me certificate.
Sorry, which certificate?
IoT.
No, that is the online. You have to register. Online you have to register. It's not like institute will give. Online you have to register. Online only you have to participate, and you should be capable of cracking that interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hi, Jayant.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, in the interview they are asking about the agile ceremonies, how the
Agile
requirement is
methodology. Yeah, I'll explain you what are the things they will ask. We'll explain each and every part.
how you get the requirement and all, how get the what is the test cases and all.
Everything will explain you. Don't worry on that.
Okay, okay.
Each and every part, what are the sprint planning meeting, different types of meeting,
Yes.
who is Scrum Master, who is product owner, and all these things. Okay.
Okay. Do you have access for Jira?
Jira, we are not teaching. We are teaching your ALM. ALM. Jira is easy only. If you refer one recording, also it's very easy. In the interview, also, if they'll tell you what is Jira, you can say we have.
Well, some of the interview they are asking about the Jira experience sometimes. So
Jira we have not included in the syllabus because either we can include ALM or Jira. So I have included ALM because it's a standard one, and 70-80% people they are using for the ALM for the test management tool.
For requirement document and test cases, everything is.
See, each and every company they are not using Jira for the document part. Someone will be using Rally, someone will be using SRS, someone will be using Jira. It's not
for
like
bug tracking, everything will be did in the ALM, right?
ALM, the test management tool is ALM.
So bugs also posted in the ALM.
I'll do one thing. I'll make one slide for Jira and I'll explain that also. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Because many people they are saying I'll do that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Next question, guys. Tomorrow evening we'll have class and we are going to start with the SQL first. So what topic we are going to discuss tomorrow in a SQL part? We are going to discuss. First, we'll start with introduction to SQL, and then we'll see what are the first query we have to write in a SQL, and then there is you have to install the software in your laptop. And I'll tell you two things. One thing that you will be installing the Oracle software in your laptop. Another thing, how you are going to work online using Oracle online. You will be able to work live also, like online also you will be able to work. You don't have to install. If you don't want to install, you can work online also. Those are the things tomorrow class we'll be discussing. Tomorrow class will be 1.5 hours only. So very first class will not make it 2 hours. Otherwise people will get bored and then they'll be tired. So initial 2 classes, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, it will be 1.5 hours. Next week onwards, we'll have 2 hour session on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, yeah, Susant, ask me your question.
What is the difference between MySQL and Oracle SQL?
Very minor differences are there. You'll be able to figure it out. If you have knowledge on MySQL, you keep learning that only. Only one database knowledge is needed. If you don't have confidence on Oracle, learn whatever the SQL knowledge you have. Make it perfect in that only. Okay.
Hi, Jayant.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, if we not get the job, are you providing any freelancing jobs?
Freelancing jobs also we are providing people who will be very good in after, like, once we complete the course, and technically if you're sound, will help you to get you a freelancing job also.
Okay.
Freelancing job in the sense some of the project support and all work will come, that will work. Freelancing project if will come across will support you that also, but you have to prove your knowledge, then only you will get the opportunity.
Okay.
Any other question?
Tomorrow is the same timing.
Tomorrow will be 8 to 9:30, yeah, same timing. This week we'll have the same timing. Next time onwards, Friday will be 8 to 9:30, Saturday, Sunday 7:30 to 9:30. Course duration will be 1 month to 35 days.
Okay.
Yeah, what about payment?
Payment you can make it if you want fast track access. You can make payment and you can start the course. Course fees will be 10,000 for full course. We don't provide proxy for the any of the interviews. We don't support proxy and backdoor. What will happen if you'll go in a proxy, you will join in a company using proxy and all. You will not able to, up to the mark for 1 month. They will throw you out within 1 month because you will go through proxy. You will not have any practical knowledge. You will not have any knowledge. So they will find out that you have come through the proxy or someone else you have referred you. So they will throw you out in 1 month only. Many calls I'm getting like that. Okay. And backdoor also same thing only. Backdoor you will be paying 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs rupees to the backdoor people, and they will do what? They will have a setting with the manager. 1 month only they will terminate you. I am getting so many calls like that. So don't trust on proxy. Don't trust on the backdoor. Yeah, guys. Done. Done your
Hello.
question? Yeah, tell me.
Hello. Actually, I work in Cognizant and I've been trained on Informatica and all the ETL tools, but they are keeping me on bench for 1 year actually. So, will I able to build a career from this course actually? I
Definitely,
have only
definitely.
1+ experience.
Definitely you will be able to. Which year pass out you are?
2020.
Then fine, no, you will be, we'll put one more fake experience and then you will be able to get it. 2.5 years of experience will put for few years, then you will get the job with the good package.
Okay.
Okay. Because your package is low, that's why they are keeping in your bench. If your package will be high, they will not keep you in a bench.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
Jayant.
Yeah, Manikanta, tell me.
Yes, I just want to know one thing. If there is any academic gap, then also we can apply for a job.
Academic gap means which year pass out?
I haven't completed 2009 inter. Okay.
2009
intermediate.
intermediate.
Okay. After that, I have been discontinued my graduation BTech. After that, I have been joined a degree BCom computers. Okay. It is passed out around 2015. Can I apply for that?
Yeah, that's fine. No worries. 2015 you pass out BTech, correct?
In degree. In
Degree you
2013, I have been discontinued my engineering.
Okay.
From 9 to 13, actually, I have been discontinued at the 2010 itself. After that, I have been joined. Meanwhile, I have been joined in a degree course.
Yeah, BA become people also they are getting it, but you have to put more effort to get the job. You have to make yourself technical sound. What will happen to BTech, BCA, MCA people? No, they will think that they already completed it. They are the technical person. BA, BCom, and other things. You have to put extra effort so that you should be technical sound.
Okay, right. I want to know if there is any.
Yeah. Many people are working. BA become many people are there. You don't have to.
I just want to know if there is an academic gap also. I can able to get a hire from some other organizations, right?
Yeah. 2015 you have completed. No, you will be able to get it. For 5 years of experience will show, and then we'll go get it.
Okay, right.
Yeah, Hemant, you want to say?
Is it single shot payment or we can able to make as a 2 EMIs?
You ping me that one. We'll discuss that separately.
Okay, right, sure.
Yeah.
Right.
Hemant. Okay, guys, let's disconnect and then we'll meet tomorrow. Is that okay?
Hello, sir. Your call back.
Jay. Sorry, my mobile number is this one. You can note it down.
Okay. Can I call, sir?
Now, yeah, fine. You can call after finishing the class. This is my mobile number. You message me first and then we'll connect. Okay. WhatsApp me. This is the WhatsApp number, as well as you can call me. First WhatsApp me, then call me. Sometimes what will happen, I'll not able to receive your call. But if you'll WhatsApp me, no, I'll go out and then I'll talk. I have kids in home, so sometimes it will be noisy. So suddenly I'll be not able to pick the call. So WhatsApp me, and in my free time I'll call you.
Okay.
This is my number. Note it down, everyone. If you are not added to WhatsApp group, let me know. We'll get it. So I'll be referring you many places from my side also. Minimum package for 3 years, you can say that we went up to 11.5 lakhs for 3 years of experience. 4 years of experience, we went up to 14 years. 5 years, same thing. So 3 years to 5 years, you can say that it will be range 7 to 13, 14, you can say. How much you will prepare, that much good package you will get it. If you'll not prepare up to the cut-up mark, you will get 0 package also. So you have to prepare up to the mark, and then minimum will be 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. How much good you prepare, that much good package you will get. Joshi is very strong in technical. So he prepared, like he was telling, no, morning also, He was preparing daytime also. He was preparing, and he prepared very nicely. So he got 14 lakhs package. Okay, guys. So let's disconnect and then we'll meet tomorrow. Okay.
Jay, with how many years of experience he tried?
He soon 5.5.
5.5 years experience.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, Jayant.
Yeah, tell me.
Love, we have classes for 3 days only, right?
Yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And remaining days we'll have the group discussion. Monday to Thursday, we'll have the group discussion.
In that group discussion, I can get any, I can clear my doubts also.
time क्या
You
रहेगा?
will be discussing you'll be telling your answer, other people will correct you. And we have assigned 2 technical person to correct your answer.
Okay.
That one, Banktes is there in this group, one Sindhuja is there. Both the people, they got the job and they will be helping you to correct your, if you will be telling wrong answer, they will correct you. They will drive the full things, group discussion. And I'll also there in the call.
The group discussion will be conducting in what time?
Evening time only, evening or morning times, any time when the batch will be preferred, but we are keeping evening time only 5 to 6, 6 to 7.
Because I was working now, so that how can I get the?
What time? What is your last working time?
Maybe after 8:30 only it will be ended.
Night time we are not keeping because evening times everyone you can connect to mobile also, no worries.
Yeah, I want to clear some my doubts only, so that at the time I can get
doubt. You can.
You can ping me in WhatsApp also. You can call me at any time. Okay. So whenever you are going to got free time, no, at that time you can ping me. So we'll clarify on that. Okay?
So both the person will be get added. Sindhuja is from Andhra Pradesh,
Hyderabad.
Telangana,
Yeah.
and Venkatesh is from
And
Karnataka.
I came from Karnataka.
If
Sindhuja, she came from Hyderabad. If you want, if you people are comfortable with Telugu, then you can ping to Sindhuja or Kannada or any Hindi, so you can ping to me, no issue.
We are going to learn here in English only completely because anyway we have to face English only in interview. So Banktes and Sindhuja, they both will be helping you to clear your doubt. You can contact them anytime, and apart from them, you can message me and you can call me anytime. I'll be helping you where they will be not able to help you. I'll be helping you in that case, complex part. Okay.
Okay.
From this month only, we kept these 2 people because I found we need 2 more helping hands so that people should not have any doubt. We'll have more success and we'll get more people will get job, and it will be fair also. If we take money, we should deliver something from our side also. Okay, guys. So let's disconnect and then we'll meet tomorrow evening. Is that okay?
Okay.
Tomorrow 8 to 9:30 classes. Okay.
Okay.
Bye everyone. Put your effort, you will get the job. Trust me. Okay. Bye everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, bye, Jayant.
Yeah, tell me, Murli.
Nothing. I am saying bye.
Oh, okay, Murli. Thank you. Bye everyone. Take care.
Jen.
Yeah, tell me.
Like when you start referring for the job, like after completing the course only we need to attend the interview, or in the middle only we can attend for the
No,
interview?
after completing the course only. After completing the course only, you will be able to prepare the things. See, 3 people, they have forced me to prepare the resume. Okay. So what happened, we have told, okay, fine, you prepare. But the thing is that, no, they ate me so much of my, they disturb me like anything. Sir, this question they are asking, I told you complete Informatica for this thing, you complete data warehouse. That's why I'm not supporting. If you'll finish half of the things, you will get what is that, you will go in depression if you will not able to answer the question. So finish it first, 90% of syllabus, and then go for the interview.
Okay, Jen, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys, take care, good night. Thank you for joining.
Bye, Jen. Thank you.
Bye, Jen.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, Banktes. Thank you for joining, Banktes.
Bye, Jen. Bye.